everyone. Start off by taking the left and the right side of the hair and tie it up at the back. Now, start off by making 3 ponytails at the back, add a rubber band in the middle of each of these, roll the hair in on itself as such. Next, taking each of these sections, insert them through the created parts that you have made. Now, using your fingers, insert all of the loose ends in place. You may also use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. We have added some decorative pins at the top as well to make it look all the more aesthetically pleasing. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Make 2 ponytails at the bottom. Taking the right side ponytail, pull it through the top left and vice versa. Now insert each into their own sides and then do this alternatively. Add a rubber band at the bottom, and as for the excess, roll it upwards and then pin it up. Next, we'll start off by making a bun. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Make 2 ponytails at the bottom. Taking the right section of the hair, pull it through the top left. Taking the left section of the hair, pull it through the top right. Taking the rest of the hair, twist it and then insert it into place underneath it as such. You may also use a bobby pin in order to make it stay in its place. Once you are done with this, you may add a decorative pin to it to make it look all the more better. Next, we'll start off by adding a hair stick through the hair. Start off by taking the top section of the hair and now begin to braid it. Now tie a knot out of the hair as such and add a rubber band to the base of it. Continue to do so. Now keep doing this until you reach the base of the scalp. Once you reach the base of the scalp, gather all of the hair together and now make it into a braid. Now, we will start off by taking these pins that are decorative in nature and fastening it in its place. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, make it into 2 braids and join them at the back. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side and now join it to the back. Pull the second section through the first. Divide the rest of the hair into 2 parts. Taking the right section of it, divide it into 2 parts and now twist it one on top of the other as such. Now add a flower onto one of the sides as well. Now continue on and now do this for the left section as well. Taking the left section of the braid, that is, taking the left side of the ponytail, twist it one on top of the other and now add a rubber band around it, put one into the other as such and now using a hair stick, insert it through in order to fasten it in its place. Next, we'll start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair. Divide this ponytail into 3 parts. Add a rubber band to the middle of each of these 3 sections. Roll the hair in on itself as such. Now, lift it upwards, add a rubber band around it in order to make this bun. Add another rubber band at the bottom, roll the hair in on itself, and now wrap this around the bun that you have created. Adjust the hair as need be. Take the excess amounts of hair that is left, twist it around the bun that you have created, and now insert it in place using a rubber band. Fit it underneath it. Now, take a decorative clip. We have chosen a decorative butterfly clip and insert it underneath. Start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair, make a small bud out of it, add a rubber band around it as such. Divide it into 2 parts, make this bow shape out of it. Now use a hair stick through it as such. Do this on either side in order to make it stay and in order to fasten it in its place. Now taking the bottom portion of it, make a small section out of it and twist one over the other after dividing it into 2 parts. Wrap this around the bow-like shape you have taken and now insert it in place. Make 4 divisions out of the rest of the hair remaining, make 4 braids out of it, lift 2 of them upwards, fasten it in place. As for the other 2, roll them up and then insert them as designs and now put it in its place using these pearl pins. Thank you for watching.